Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. So I wanted to quickly make a video to show you all how to perfectly place lens on your DSLR. I know most of the people know that, but these are for those people who don't know to properly put the lens, who keep struggling to rotate and put the lens. So let me quickly show you all that in today's video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So this is a DSLR which I have D550 and I have this lens 50 mm lens. So if you need to remove this lens, there's a button over here which you need to press. Just press this, rotate it clockwise. If you're facing it towards you, just rotate it clockwise. If you rotate it anti-clockwise, it will get locked. Rotate it clockwise and then remove it. So that's how you remove the lens. So to put the lens, it's simple. There will be a dot on every lens. So here there's a dot, a white color dot, and the same or similar dot should be available on the camera as well, camera body, DSLR body. So this is the dot over here. So you need to align it perfectly and put the lens. So once you align it and then just rotate it anti-clockwise till you hear a click sound, and that's how you put the lens properly. You can be sure that the lens is locked and you can start using this lens on your DSLR. So that's how you put the lens properly. That's a quick video which I wanted to make. Hope this was useful. If you think this was useful, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Hope you liked it. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.